to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make the most delicious rasta pasta with coconut jerk shrimp. To get started, I have some penne pasta here, but feel free to use whatever kind you like. I also went ahead and seasoned my shrimp, and I'll be using some heavy cream and some coconut cream. I have Gouda cheese, sharp cheddar, and some Parmesan cheese. For my vegetables, I'll be using tricolored bell peppers as well as some onions, garlic, and parsley. I also have some butter and some store-bought jerk seasoning. For my other seasonings, I'll be using some all-purpose, garlic powder, bouillon, complete, and black pepper. So here I have 1.5 pounds of extra large shrimp. I did wash it in some lemon juice and I left the tails on for presentation. I have some store-bought jerk seasoning here. It's the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, as well as garlic and onion powder, Old Bay, all-purpose, and black pepper. I'll be using some oil to coat the shrimp generously, and then we will add the seasonings. Mix really well and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. To a pot of boiling water, I will add some salt, and then we'll go in with our pasta. Mix well and allow it to cook to your desired texture. I do not like al dente pasta, so I'll cook mine until it's nice and tender. To a preheated pot, I did add a bit of oil, and now we'll go in with that shrimp. We'll allow the shrimp to cook for about 5 minutes. Halfway through the process, you want to give them a flip and allow them to cook evenly on the other side. To the same pot, we'll add some butter, allow that butter to melt. We'll make a delicious coconut sauce to toss the shrimp in. Once the butter melts, we'll go in with the garlic, let that go for about a minute or so, and then we'll add our coconut cream. We'll also add a tad bit of seasoning, because everything needs seasoning. Just a little bit. You don't want too much of seasoning to overpower, because remember your shrimp has seasoning and that will carry over to the sauce as well. So you just need a little bit here. Allow that sauce to thicken. Once it thickens, we'll add the shrimp back in, give it a good toss, top it with some fresh parsley, and that's it, guys. When I tell you the shrimp was so delicious, you all know that coconut and shrimp or seafood or whatever is so delicious. And my mistake was cooking the shrimp first. I should have cooked the pasta first, because I almost ate all the shrimp before the pasta was done. To a preheated skillet, I did add a bit of oil, and now I'll go in with a pinch of butter. We'll let that melt, then we'll add our vegetables. Allow the vegetables to cook for about 3 minutes or so, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So at this point, we'll now go in with our heavy cream as well as some coconut cream. Then we'll add our seasonings. We'll give it a good mix, allow this to come up to a simmer before we add the cheese. Next, we'll go in with all of our cheese. If you want more cheese, you can add more. Add as much or as little as you like. Then we will Allow that to thicken. Give it a minute or two to thicken up. Once it thickens, we'll go in with the pasta. Give it a good mix. Make sure the pasta is nicely coated. Then we'll top it off with some fresh parsley, and that's it. Super easy and simple, but it's absolutely delicious. It's one of the best Rasta pasta recipes you'll ever try. And here you have it, Rasta pasta with coconut jerk shrimp. This was absolutely delicious. We feast on it. Everybody grabbed a plate and my entire family enjoyed it. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys make your Rasta pasta. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and bye.